Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. In today's video, we've got new products, ta-da, which I'm going to be trialling and swatching for you. So this is Builder in a Bottle, and basically it'll help strengthen your natural nails. You can use it as an extension. It's just going to be a fab new product and I can't wait to try it. So I'm going to pick out a few colours to try. So I'm going to try Clear as Day, Fancy Free, Be Gentle, Bed of Roses, Insomnia, so that's a white. So if you're going to do this on a natural nail, you would need to prep and dehydrate the nail. But I don't need to do that because I'm using plastic. And you would need to use the Urban Graffiti base coat, and you would also need the Urban Graffiti top coat. So let's start with Bed of Roses. That pink. And you would need to do a thin base first. And then you'd pop that under the lamp, and it's quick curing, so it only needs 30 seconds, which is brilliant. Right, so now that is cured, you can go in with your thicker builder layer. So if you were doing this again on a natural nail, you could always use a tip, or you could extend using a form. So then you just build in that apex up. So you just add a little bit more product there. And then what I do is cheat. Put your hand upside down for a second and then pop it under the lamp for 30 seconds. So now what I would do is go in with the Neo Nails Gel Residue Wipe Off solution and just take off that sticky layer. And then you can go over with a file the free edge, going over. You can make sure there's like no bumps in it. I'm just going to quickly go over the buffer because it's quite difficult to file using these. So you can see there that I've missed a bit here. So it will be a lot easier on a natural nail because you can move the finger around and I can get close to the sides, where I won't be able to get close to the cuticle or anything on this, but I just want to show you the colours and I'm so excited to use it. So again, wiping over with the Gel Residue Wipe Off solution. You can see it's got a really nice pink, and what you could do then, if you wanted to, you could go over again with another thin layer. You don't have to do this, you could go straight in with a top coat, but because I missed a little bit, I just want to make sure it's all nice and pink and even. You can see capping that free edge as well. You pop that back under, 30 seconds. So now that's done, use the Urban Graffiti top coat, and this will keep it shiny for longer. And you can always like paint over it. You could do like some little detail designs and then like encapsulate it with the top coat. But you know it's going to last because you've got the base coat and you've got your builder layers and then your top coat, so you know it's going to last. So I'm going to pop that in for a full cure for 60 seconds. So now that's all top coated, it's lovely and shiny, and it's just got a really nice pink tint to it. Obviously if that's over your natural nail, it's not going to be see-through, it's going to be a nice pink. So I'm just going to show you a random selection of the rest, and I'm going to quickly do these. So this one is Be Gentle. So again, just a really thin layer, capping it. This one's Fancy Free. So this is more of a nude. And then Insomnia, which is a white. I think this would be really good for doing like the milk bath nails where you're like encapsulating the flowers and stuff. I think this colour would be perfect for that. And then Clear as Day, which is absolutely clear. I think this would be perfect for sculpting out a clear base, but no bubbles. It's just super, super clear, completely clear. So I'm going to pop them under, quick 30 seconds. Right, just going back in with my builder layer, and obviously the colour pops through a little bit more. These are perfect for like gel lovers because you could always paint over the top. I personally like these colours, but then for doing a backfill, all you'd need to do is file around the cuticle area, so around like this area here, and then just prep that area, go straight in, base coat, and then your layer. It'd be super easy to do backfills. I'm so impressed with this clear. And then in 30 seconds, and there's all the colours that I've just prepped. Look how clear is. Amazing. Love it. I think this one, which is Fancy Free, I think that's probably my favourite. I like that one. So now, again, I'd just go in, top coat, seal the designs in. Also helps with the strength as well. And go, pop them under. 60 seconds. Yeah, so there's my 5 little swatches. So I'm just gonna run through the different colours that we've got. So we have Clear as Day, Insomnia and Poltergeist Jack Frost are like whites. So we've got Honest Fitting, Iced Latte, Sweet Honey, Kusha, Fancy Free, Stay Cozy. So these are like the nudes. Then you've got Provoking Vibes, Soft Caramel, Coffee Drops, and Be Gentle. And I think that these are more like of a natural skin tone. And then you've got your pinks. So you've got Rose Quartz, Unwrap Me, Rosy Cheeks, and Bed of Roses. So they're a nice pink. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it really, really helpful. All of these products will be listed below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.